Ruth from Remax Real Estate Center, but you guys know that by now. Wait till you see this one. 3145 Adjala Tecumseth Townline. It is gorgeous. 25 acres, a shop, an insulated shop at that with 18-foot doors and a completely renovated home. But don't you take my word for it. Come on inside and have a look. Look at this beautifully appointed kitchen. Really high ceilings, pot lights, chandeliers, gorgeous. Quartz countertops, custom cabinetry. Look at these really cute handles. And looking out this nice window, you're looking at your own 25 acres. You're not overlooked. You have custom flooring. Look at the balustrade going up the stairs. This is the epitome of modern and cozy, bright and spacious. It's gorgeous. Come and have a look at your own deck. Just recently fenced yard. Keep your dog or your kids safe. And these high ceilings go right through the home. Brand new pot lights, brand new commercial custom vinyl flooring. Nothing's gonna wear this flooring out. Have as many pets and kids as you like. This is a nice feature. This entry archway into the dining room with a table and a space that comfortably seats 10. This home is bright, spacious, brand new, modern, but it's on your own 25 acres. Nobody's overlooking you, and the land, don't forget, is amazing. And guess what? There's a shop out there, a brand spanking new shop with 18-foot doors. Wait till you see that one. I really love this window.